Sa mga naka-acquire na ng bicycle paper rails na uncut sheets, meron kaming recommendations kung saan nyo pwedeng ipa-frame to. This is the frame by Frame Manila. We are not paid to do this. We are just sharing with you kung saan nyo pwedeng ipa-frame kasi lagi kaming natatanong kung saan. So ito yung sample work nila. As you can see, this is metal ba to, no? Metal, and then glass to. Kasi yung uncut sheet, diba, front and back yan. So pati yung likod, pina-frame na rin namin. So kayo bahala mag-decide kung saan nyo gusto ipa-frame. Kung ito bang likod, or yung harap din gusto nyong i-display, totally up to you. Tapos pwede nyo rin palagyan ng hooks on either side. Ayan. So pwedeng sa harap or sa likod, rather ito naman yung harap. So again, we'll link up the profile, yung Instagram profile kung saan nyo pwedeng ipa-frame yung uncut sheets nyo. And then we also have few remaining uncut sheets na signed ni Vincent and Winnie, just in case you still want to grab a copy of the uncut sheet.